Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Hostinger with WordPress. First, you'll need an active Hostinger hosting plan and a registered domain name. Once you've secured these, log into your Hostinger account to access the H-Panel dashboard. This central hub is where you'll manage all aspects of your hosting. Make sure your domain's name servers are correctly pointing to Hostinger for a seamless connection. This foundational step is crucial for your website's online presence. Now let's get WordPress installed. From your Hostinger H-Panel, locate the website section and click on Auto Installer. This fantastic tool simplifies the installation process to just a few clicks. Select WordPress from the available options, then fill in your desired website title, administrator username, and a strong password. After reviewing your details, hit the Install button. Hostinger will then automatically set up WordPress on your chosen domain in just a few moments. With WordPress installed, it's time to ensure your domain is properly configured and secure. Double-check that your domain is correctly associated with your new WordPress installation with an H-Panel. Next, activate the free SSL certificate provided by Hostinger. This essential security layer encrypts data between your website and visitors, building trust and improving search engine rankings. Confirm your WordPress site URL is updated to use HTTPS, ensuring all traffic is secure and protected. Finally, let's cover some crucial post-installation steps. Log into your brand new WordPress dashboard using the administrator credentials you set earlier. From here, you'll want to install essential plugins for security, search engine optimization, and performance. Next, select a theme that aligns with your brand to customize your website's look and feel. With these foundations in place, you're ready to start creating compelling content and publishing your very first pages. Congratulations on connecting Hostinger with WordPress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.